Hi guys, sitting in the car, it's raining, Nanny's visiting her friend, no point in walking down the charity shops, I'll get soaked. So we'll sit in the car and do one of the kits. I could do these, I could do both of them because they look identical. There's different sized bits of wood, so they will be different sized reindeer, I assume, but they're the same pattern. Yeah, let's do them, get them out of the way. The only trouble with doing these is we're going to get sawdust on the chair. We'll do the bigger one first. Probably don't need my jacket on. But I don't want to step out the car to take it off because I'll get wet. Right. Save the bit of plastic to catch the bits of wood. I expect I'll do a fast forward version as well as the main build. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.